Hey guys, what's going on? This is Quits from Lazymangarage. Today I'm filming here this new video with my friend Wobble. So this video is going to be a series where we're working on the wagon. Don't mind the trash, just like my my ex-wife. But we're going to be working on this here wagon. We're going to build it. We got a whole bunch of parts over here for it. We got the ACL water pump, Cometic gasket kit, Gretty's, he's bougie. Gretty timing belt, and a whole bunch of other stuff for this. And so we're also welding in a baffle. And he brought Ruffles chips. Okay, so I'm gonna get started on disassembling this shit, and then we're gonna clean it all up, and then repaint it, and then reassemble it. So yeah, let's get into it. Ouch, that fucking hurt my back. So I got the motor apart. Robert just went to go get me brake cleaner. That fucking rotor is trash. It is, well, not rotor. What is that thing called? Flywheel. We got the ACL oil pump on with the silicone, the Honda Bond. Always using Honda Bond at the oil pickup gasket. That thing is trash, dude. So right now what I'm doing is I have the oil pan soaking in some degreaser right now because I have to weld in this here PLM baffle that we got from PLM. Doing that so that no one can get the address. But if you guys go there, it's on risk. But yeah, we're cleaning this up, and yeah, so now we got the baffle going, and I'm just waiting for this stuff to just do what it does best and just clean up the grease from SP Machine Shop's degreaser, which is that boy right there. All right, so I got the oil pan as clean as I can. So the baffle's gonna sit here, against here, and here. Can I see it? Can I see the baffle? Thank you, sir. Let me get a better handling on it. So, other way? No, you were right. No, you're wrong. So it sits in like that. This is to prevent. No, you were right. It is the other way. I'm stupid. There it is. So it sits in like that. Not exactly, obviously. But I'm gonna tack it up in here. So tacking those spots where it meets. You know, you don't fully weld this thing in like as if it's a panel or anything. So it's just, you tack on this side and at the bottom left and the bottom right. And then you can tag the arms inside too. But this helps prevent oil starvation. So when oil's sloshing around, it stays down here instead of going up here and up to this part of the pan. So it stays down here where the oil pickup will pick it up. Because this, believe it or not, is going to be a track build. So he's going to take this thing on a time attack. Hopefully he gets me some footage when he starts driving it out there. Don't mind my finger, it's in the way of the camera. So I got to grind down my spots on this, and then grind down the spots on that, and then we'll weld it up. She's welded in. All welded in. Welded in on these brackets here, welded in on the sides. He placed it how he wanted it. Now we're going to let this cool off, and then we're going to clean it out so that way all these metal shavings don't go into his engine, because that'll be bad. All right, got the transmission all done. Got some oil filters, some brand new Honda oil filters. Yeah, slap one on this bad boy. Still waiting on parts. The parts department, where we have this, where we ordered our parts and stuff from, they didn't get the order. So that being said, we have to wait a little bit longer because we don't have the dowel pins. The dowel pins got messed up. Thanks, Robert. So we're waiting on those. Once we get the dowel pins, we can put the head on. Today I'm going to be painting the head. I'm going to grab the head over there, and I'm going to set it over here after I get done painting it and assemble the intake manifold that I'm going to give him. Put it over there because I can't use that intake manifold. I'm on a B series. I'm D. And we're going to assemble it over there with the Iridium fuel pump. Well, fuel pump. Duh. What's that thing called? Shield thing. You guys know what I'm talking about. For those of you who don't know, I'm still drawing a blank. I'll remember it probably in the next clip. Hey, we got the hardware now. We got all the stuff ready to go. Thank you, Jake. We got the new rear main seal in. We already got the silicone. We got the new what is this? Street Pro by Cometic oil pan gasket. You got the whole. NASCAR. Oh yeah, it's NASCAR performance because what'd you say?
We go fast.
We go race. Head ass. Where's all the hardware? Oh, yeah, we got all the OEM hardware right there in this sun that you can't see. And we got more accessories coming in soon in time. As soon as he decides to pull the trigger on that. But it's coming together. So we might actually get this mated to the transmission today. Maybe. But we're for sure getting the head and everything squared away. So, yeah. Tighten it down to 20 pounds right now. 22. And then what's it go to? 60? 60. So 22 to 60. With ARP and OEM, this is what you always see in those videos where people would tighten down the bolts and then you'll see them go BAM! And they'll kind of look at each other like, what the fuck just happened? You're literally supposed to let them chill after you tighten them down because they seat. So, they obviously we're using the OEM bolts. We didn't go with ARP. And, is it ARP or APR? ARP, right? Yeah.
APR is a performance wing.
It's also fucking APR financing, right?
It is APR.
So make sure when you torque it down, just give it like 5-10 minutes to chill, and then you guys can go ahead and do the second increment. This is just what I like to do and what I've been told how to do it. So, and I've seen other people do it the same way. So this is just how we've always done it. So that way you guys don't break a bolt and then have a bad time. Oh, that's funny.
There's not even a fucking thing for this.
The ball fell off?
No, there's no ball. There's no hole.
Let's come off. What are we doing, Robert?
I don't know. Nothing.
I thought you were about to say fucking my car up.
I was about to.
That's the last time. Huh? No, I turned it off so I could film. Right now we got the hood all sanded down, scuffed up. Robert's gonna tape that up and a little sticker right there, because they don't sell those anymore. So, and he wants to keep the keep it kind of original, but even though the whole motor is not original at all.
Bro, it's a D16. What are you talking about?
Yeah, true. So right now what he's doing is he's cleaning it up with wax and grease remover. We're going to paint this base coat black, and then the other paint is going to be a little surprise. So if you are watching this video, make sure you stick around so you guys can see what this is. Also, check out the name tag so you guys know it's official here. And check it out, yeah, because Robert's a dick. So, isn't it? Oh, no, I was like, Dick is short for Richard, isn't it? Yeah. Just get one that says Bob. Fuck it. Or it says Bobbert. Can you imagine going there and my name is Bobbert?
I'd be down. That'd be cool.
So currently, he's painting. He's just blowing everything off. So we're gonna paint the primer, then the base coat, and then the other color, and then we'll show you once it's all said and done. Hopefully we beat the sun. Hopefully you guys can also hear me, because it's really hard to talk in this thing, and this thing has like a weird vibration. So, yeah. And here it is, ladies and gentle tips. Behold, the black cherry, pearl, metallic, gloss, matte, flat black color. That it is. We got the little heater doing its heat. Shout out to Alex. Look at him, just sitting there. Yeah, you know I'm bad. You know I'm sick as fuck. You already know. Now we're going to push this into the garage so that way when it rains, it won't fuck this paint up. Yeah. All right, I really should have been filming this, but look at how clean I got that. I'm sorry, guys. I just been kind of busy with this whole car, and we just have been having shit going on over here. Somebody stole Alex's Civic, so for the second time in a row. So yeah, that kind of fucking sucks. So now everybody's just kind of down because we just got the car. We were all happy, like hell yeah, he got the car back. But now it's just taking down the subframe. Hi Alex, I'm filming. Hi. Now it's just part of taking down the subframe so we can get it ready for paint, and then put it back in. Robert is going to order the new bushings and probably upper control arms because these ones are clapped. Boy, does this thing need some stuff. It needs some new rotors, obviously brake pads. I'm going to redo the calipers, make sure they're nice and spiffy. Probably do those in black, but that wheel well probably has never been cleaned since 1990. So yeah, because we're going to Raptor line it with the can. I'm just amazed on how well this actually came out, because if you guys see the other side, I'll show you the other side. Maybe I'll put a picture right here so you got like a before and after, and you guys could pause and take a look at how actually, like, how much of a dramatic change it is. But damn. Here's a little fun fact I learned, don't mind this. If your tie rod end, how to know if it's bad, if your car wiggles while you drive, like, okay, let me start over. When you have the tire on the car, if you wiggle it forward and back like this, and the lug nuts are tight, if it wiggles, that's tie rod end. If you wiggle the top like this and the bottom, top, you know, one hand here, one hand on the bottom, and you wiggle it like this, then that's wheel bearing. When you take off the stuff, if your tie rod end does this, chances are the inners are bad. So the outers, the only thing that really go bad on here is just the bushing itself, but the inners are bad because it dangles. Good tie rod ends are like normal ball joints where they'll move. They won't move this freely. Like, I'm putting no pressure to it. So if I put it right here, it'll stay there. If I put it here, it'll stay there. If it's bad, it'll just dangle. Okay, so this is how the other side looks. Okay, we just sprayed the other side with the black, but this is all dirty. I'm still spraying it with the SB Machine Shop's degreaser. As you guys can see, that stuff is just melting off of it. Look, that's how well this shit's working. A little bit of scrubbing, literally not that much work to do, is just scrub it. Probably have to give this one, because this one had a broken axle boot and there was already a whole bunch of grease here. So I'm probably gonna have to give this at least 3 wash downs, because you can see how it's smearing. That's hard buildup right there. So as Alex is getting out the
fucking scream.
as Alex is getting out the ew. As Alex is getting the compressor or pressure washer out for me, I'm gonna sit here and scrub this my life away and get this all squared away. Well, you put the fan on top of it, you dodo bird.
No, you put the fucking subwoofer on top of it.
How about I put your mom on top of it? What? Yeah, you guys can see how dirty that is. That's actual grime. So I'm gonna get to this and then I'll show you guys the after product. All right, here how she look. There we go. That's how she looks. A little bit of scrubbing, 3rd wash. Some of the black stuff I can't get off, like it's like permanent grease. But my hand looks like somebody's grandma's coochie. So using all this degreaser. And I was wearing gloves. So not rubber gloves, but whatever. It's clean. Let this dry, and then we could probably spray it possibly today. If I get the heater over here and I let it do its thing. So that's probably what I'll do right now at the schmoment. Get up all this water so it doesn't stain. But yeah, looks good, looks great. Okay, so painting was going to paint his subframe, but then we realized there's a crack there, and it goes all the way to this side, and there goes my drill, and it goes all the way to this side. So
Send it.
no, so this side has a plate here, and this, which is odd, is that's a manual rack and pinion, and this is a manual rack, but he has no power steering.
This is a power steering rack and pinion.
That's what I said.
You said a manual.
Whatever, power steering, manual, you get the point. Anyways, so we're gonna get a loop line for that to so you can pour some power steering fluid in that so it doesn't burn out. But what I'm gonna do, because even a spot weld broke here, is I'm gonna bring this back and I'm gonna weld across, and I'm gonna weld all these legs because even this leg started popping up. And I'm just going to reinforce it, make a plate like this one on this side right here, just to give it some extra strength and rigidity, and then just weld up the areas like that so they don't fucking peel back like this side was doing right here. So I'll probably peel this side back and then weld that too. So the original plate looks like this. There's no plate on the other side, right? So Robert saw this piece of metal, cut it up, and it had a hole in it already. And this is how it came out. It's dimple dyed. That's because he wanted it like that. All right, we got the new traction bar on from PLM. It's mounted on. It's a 2-piece. They didn't give you the hardware for this, so I had to find my own. So there we go. Got it all squared away, and these were a bitch to thread, so that was fun. Got a lot of other little parts and stuff. So yeah, here we go. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to slap that like button. I know I stopped it here, but it's going to be a series because Robert wants it as a series. I kind of do too. So if you guys like this video, smack that like button and subscribe so you guys are notified. Oh, and turn on your notifications so you guys are notified when I upload my videos because they're all out of whack. This video should be coming out tonight, and then I'm going to start filming the other half that we haven't even shown yet. So you guys stay tuned for that. But yeah, so my name is Chris from Lazymangarage, and I'm lazy, so you don't have to be. Peace.